My client wanted me to make something interesting for his business, so I made a bomb that was waiting to be exploded in front of his audience.
Top 5 tips for saving you money with your walk-in cooler. Number 1, choose the right size cooler for your needs. A larger cooler will be more expensive to operate than a smaller cooler. Number 2, insulate the cooler properly. This will help to keep the cold air in and the warm air out, which will save you energy. Number 3, keep the cooler clean and free of debris. This will help the cooler to operate efficiently. Number 4, defrost the cooler regularly. This will prevent the ice buildup, which can waste energy. Number 5, have the cooler serviced regularly by a qualified technician. This will help to ensure that the cooler is operating properly and efficiently. By following these tips, you can maximize the energy efficiency of your walk-in cooler and save money on your energy bills. If you're looking for a walk-in cooler and you have a finance problem, we offer finance plan for all businesses. Contact us today at 281-818-5959 or visit our website www.unitycoolingsystems.com.